If you live your life where you're comfortable taking somebody else's point of view on how you should live your life, you deserve to lose.
All of my friends, or a good portion of them, all said to me, don't bother with YouTube, you've missed the boat, was the key word, you've missed the boat.
Yes.
So I'd love for you to just give me like 2 minutes, I'm gonna time you, 2 minutes of why you think that's bull.
So it's funny to me, you know, it's not necessarily like bullshit or not bullshit. I think first of all, the number one thing I would tell every single person watching this, pay very close attention to who's giving you the advice. My guess was the friends that were giving you that advice were the ones that gave up on their ambition and offense at that point of their life, and subconscious bias. It's not like they're bad people. The misery loves company thing is not evil, it's subconscious. I would argue that YouTube and going after a career as an influencer on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, or Twitter right now in 2017, 18, 19 is actually way more practical than most people realize. I just don't think your friends are that smart. And when I say that smart, I mean in a very narrow thing. They might be geniuses at baking cookies. They might be incredible mathematicians. But when people speak about opportunity on YouTube, when it's still grossly underpriced, or Facebook, or Instagram, or podcast, they're not experts in communication. Brother,
yeah,
they're not experts in communication.
Yeah, 100%.
Like, when I tell you something about the New York Jets, that's a good idea to listen to me. When I tell you something about radishes, bad idea. Pay the attention to who's giving you the advice. Who's giving the advice? And more importantly, if you live your life where you're comfortable taking somebody else's point of view on how you should live your life, you deserve to lose. So, it's bullshit because your friends aren't experts in comms.
Yeah.
It's bullshit because when you listen to outside voices, you're always going to regret it. My question is very simple. Would you rather appease the inconvenience right now in the short term, or do you want to sit around as a 78-year-old and regret how you lived your life? That's the basic question. Are you willing to take the short-term lack of pain by conforming to the system? Or do you actually want to do something with your life? Because this internet thing, the fact that there's 3 cameras in this room right now, the fact that 1 million people almost on Instagram follow you, this is available. There is so much abundance in the system. Everybody can get theirs. Some will get billions, some will get millions, some will get hundreds of thousands. But wouldn't you rather make $87,000 a year talking about Star Wars because you love it more than breathing than make 109 being an accountant for that shit firm?
Love it.